How to create quiz in Typeform. So first open up Typeform, and then here you just need to click on create a new form here at the top left. Okay, now let's just wait for Typeform to load. Now here you can create your quiz using AI, but as for this tutorial, I'm going to create a quiz from scratch. Okay, so just click on start from scratch. Then here, let's just choose choice, but as for you, you decide what you want to use here. So I'm going to use multiple choice here. Then as you can see now, I have this. So here, if you want to change your design, click on design here, and then click on gallery. Then choose among here that you want to use. So let's say I'm going to use this one. As simple as that. And there you go. Now if you want to add more choices here, you can do that. And here you just need to type in your question. Okay, question here, question 1. And here you just need to type in your choices. Choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, and choice 4. Okay, now let's say you want to make more not just one question, right? So you want to create more questions. You can just click on the 3 dots here, click on duplicate, and then click on just keep duplicating them as long as you want until you're satisfied. So let's say we have 4 questions here, and then each question has different, right? So you just need to edit the different questions here, and of course edit the different choices as well. So once you've done that, you can add an ending here. Click on this, and then click on, let's say, end screen. Then here you just need to edit this. So let's say thank you for participating with a quiz, something like that. And then if you want to add a description, you can do that as well. You can just click on share here, and there you go. Now let's just wait. Okay, now here is your quiz. Okay, so you can see. Now you can just copy this link, then share this to anyone that you want to share it with, and that's it. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.